Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have our weekly Google Chrome security updates that are now rolling out. And this update should have in fact been the update to version 137, which Google actually rolled out with the early stable last week as I posted. So for some reason, Google pushed out the early stable 137 last week to everyone. I'll link that video down below in the end screen if you'd like to go check that out. So instead of this update today, or the update that rolled out late yesterday, I received it today in my part of the world. This should have been 137, but is just a point release. So to check we have the update, we head to our main menu, Help, About Google Chrome. Latest version in bold, 137.0.7151.55 or 0.56. If you're running Windows, Mac, and Linux, either or means you're up to date on version 137. Now, this update includes 11 security fixes, and there are 2 high severity flaws that have been addressed, which are listed as use after free in compositing and out of bounds right in the V8 JavaScript engine, and those are both common exploits in Google Chrome and the Chromium-based web browsers. And thankfully, there are no critical vulnerabilities or any 0 days that have been exploited in the wild, which is always good news. And then we've got a couple of mediums and a couple of lows that have also been patched, but nonetheless, 11 security fixes, and those address 2 high severity flaws. And over and above the security fixes that have rolled out, I'm not noticing any new front-facing tweaks or adjustments. And as mentioned, this should have been the update to 137, but Google pushed that out last week. Check the video out for more info. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.